Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So here they ask us to solve the following. 47 minus 32, 69 minus 34, 52 minus 31, 876 minus 244, 466 minus 35, 359 minus 44, 677 minus 456. Let's get started. Yeah, Zahra?
Before you get started, I had a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What if there was a bigger number on the bottom over here? Like,
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that would be regrouping, and we're doing that in the next video.
Okay.
Okay, now let's start. What is 7 minus 2, Zahra?
6, 5.
Okay, 5. What's 4 minus 3?
2.
No, it's 1. Remember?
3, 2. Oh, yeah, 1.
Okay, what's 9 minus 4?
5.
Good job, you remember that.
Yeah.
6 minus 3?
5, 4, 3.
Good job, it's 3. Okay, 2 minus 1?
1.
Good job. 5 minus 3?
2.
Good job. You remember all of them? Good, you're learning. Okay, 6 minus 4?
5, 4, 3, 2.
Good job. 7 minus 4?
6, 5, 4, 3.
Good job. 8 minus 2?
6.
Okay, the answer is?
632.
Okay. 6 minus 5?
1.
Good job. 6 minus 3? It's
3.
right here. Okay, good job. 3. 4 stays, right? And our answer is 431, right? Okay, 9 minus 4?
5.
Good job. 5 minus 4?
5, 4, 3, 2. I mean 1.
Good job. 3 stays, right? So our answer is?
315.
Okay, 7 minus 6?
1.
Good job. 7 minus 5?
2.
Good job. 6 minus 4?
5, 4, 3, 2.
Good job. And our answer is?
221.
And we're done. Thank you for watching. Smash those like and subscribe buttons. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.